Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on gold. Have it in mind that we have about 1 hour till markets close. The market is about to close, so once it closes we will know what it is doing. But when you take a look at gold, we are definitely on a downtrend move. Like you can see it. I told you I did weekly analysis for you guys on gold. I told you that gold will definitely be giving us that bearish move. This is it. It gave us the bearish move for the day. Right now, market is pulling back up. Once it pulls back up, that sell will play out. So what you should be looking out for on your gold is actually a sell setup. Once it push up, probably we might be seeing that sell setup around New York section or close to New York section. So watch out for that movement around New York section for the sell setup. Once it gets the sell setup, you can hop in. But if there's going to be any changes to this price movement, I'll give you guys the update. So subscribe and you would not miss out on any updates.